I give you one more chance. I told you.
Don't do it. No.
I told you, Vito.
No.
I told you. I'm gonna count to 1.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
No, I'm gonna count to 3. 1,
I thought you were counting to 1.
2. I changed my numbers.
No, don't do it. No.
I told you. I told you, Vito. This is what happens.
Look at that poor fry. There's a French fry on the floor. It's me.
Look at his friend.
You hit me with the...
This is what happens. Okay? This is what happens when you mess with me.
Don't do it.
Get out of my way. And your friend. That's right.